Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the third video in my binary search tree demonstration. So where we left off was we actually filled in our tree. We created an empty tree up here. We called the insert node method from the tree class and we put in our values here. Um, Based on this here, this is what our tree is supposed to look like. And what we're going to do, we're going to traverse through the tree and print out the data elements. This is what I think, based on the three ways to traverse it, it's supposed to look like. I'm not totally sure, but we'll figure it out as we're going along the way. And I just did some code to save us some time. We're going to call this method. We're going to create this in the node class, and then we're going to it's going to be based on more recursion, but it's not going to be too bad. Essentially, um, we're going to recurse down the left side. We're going to print out the root, and we're going to recurse down the right side. Same thing with here. We're going to recurse all the way down till we get to the leaf. Like this is a leaf. There is no nodes underneath here. We're going to recurse down to a leaf. Do the same thing for a right side of a node, and then print out the root of a node. So let me go to the node class, and we're going to put our methods in. So let's put this. Where's this in that? So I'm going to go back to presentation mode. Oh, where it is? Okay, so we're going to do our traverse methods. So we're going to do public void. Let's do in order traverse. Traverse. And then, so in order, that's going to, remember, we're going to start all the way down to the left. So we're going to say traverse down the left side. Traverse, V-E-R, the left side of a node. If it's not empty, if left is not null, we're going to traverse down. So we're going to keep calling this method here until we get all the way down to the leaf it. So we're going to say, sorry, get that out the way. There we go. We're going to say left dot in order traverse. That's going to keep traversing down the left side until we get to a leaf it. And then once we do, we're going to just print out, we're going to visit the root. We're going to do sys out. Oh, no. That's not what I want to do. Sys out. And we're going to do the data element of the node. And we'll just do a space. And then we're going to traverse down the right side. The right side of a node. Change this up here. Side of a node. So it's going to be the same thing. We're going to check the right side. If right is not equal to null, we're going to keep calling the method until we get down to the leaf on the right side of a given node. So I'm going to say right dot in order traverse. So let's run that. So essentially, we're going to traverse all the way down the left side. So let me save this. Actually, no, I can't run this yet because I have to put this. I have to put the that in order method. I have to put that in the tree class. But so let's just create the rest of these. So let's do in post order. So it's a public void in post order. No parameters, no return type. It's the same sort of logic. So essentially what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to really type this out. So since it's post order is left, right, root. So we're going to say left, right, and then the root. but we have to change the method call. So we'll say in post order. And then the last one is pre-order. So public void in pre-order. So that, oh, sorry. And that's root, left, right. So we'll just do the same thing here. Well, let's go. So it's left, root, and be careful when you're copy and pasting. When I was doing this earlier, I was getting the same I was getting the same results because I forgot to change the method calls in these methods. So just be careful when you're doing that. And the right side. Save ourselves a little bit of time here. So we'll just do here, call the method here. So left. And that's it. So essentially we have three methods that are gonna recursively call themselves until we get down to the leaf its. So in this one we're gonna check for this no. If not, we're gonna keep calling this until we get into the leaf. And then we're gonna print out the root, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the right side here. So let's go back to our get out of this. Oh, sorry. We're gonna go back to our main method, and we're going to create these methods here in order, pre-order. So go to our tree class, go to presentation mode. So let's go down here. We're gonna say, let's do it in order first. So we'll do public void in order. In order. I'm gonna check the root. If root is not equal to null, we're gonna traverse the root. So I'm gonna say root dot in order traverse. So essentially, if the root's not new, we're gonna keep calling this method. So this method we defined in the in our node class, and then it's gonna run those three lines. It's gonna check. It's gonna run to the left. It's gonna run to the left, the right, and the null. I think that's the order for this. But as we print it out, I'll explain this more. So essentially, that's it for that method. So we're gonna do this 2 more times. The sort of logic. Do public void. Let's do pre or post order. Post order. Same thing. We're gonna check the root again. I'm just gonna copy and paste this. If root, then we're gonna call. Well, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna say in post order. Okay. And one more time. Now, I apologize. Usually, recursive is still, it's not new, but, I had to look at some help to try to figure out how to do this because I was trying to do this iteratively, and I was just coming up with a whole bunch of problems. So, my knowledge of recursion is not that good at this moment, but I think I get it when I was running the debugger, but I'll explain more as we're going on. Oh, not post order, sorry. Looking at pre-order. That's what we're looking at. Okay. Same thing, we'll just copy and paste this. Oh, sorry. Keep doing that. That's not what we're going to do in pre-order. In pre-order. Okay. So I'm going to control S this. We're going to go back to our main method, see if we got any errors. That looks right. Okay, so let's go back to here. I'm expecting this, but we'll see in a second. See what we get. See what happens. Got no errors. And it's still running. Still running. Oh no, what did I? Oh, it's supposed to be print. I want to put them all on the same. No, this is what I want. Don't want to put them all on the same line. Okay, so let's go back to here. To here. I think that's what I want to do. If it doesn't come out the way I want, I'm going to pause it just to see, because I don't want to waste time making sure things print right. Okay, I'm going to pause this video for 1 minute. I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. I wasn't gone for too long. So essentially what the error was, these print lines here. So we're just going to do just remove these print lines from our methods in the node class. All right, so let's go back to our main class. So good news is that it runs. Oh, whoa, I don't know what that is. Okay, let's go back to presentation mode. Control S. Let's run it and see what happens. Okay, so let's go to in order, which makes sense. We go all the way down. Let's go down here. We go all the way down here to the left. So we get 8. We go to the root, 10. And then we go to the right side of that root. We get 11. We go back up to we go up one level, go to the main root, and then we go traverse all the way down to the left side here. We get 35, 40, 45. So that looks good. The pre-order, did I get this right? Pre-order. I did not get it right. Okay, so that was wrong, but that's why we're learning, right? So we got 8, 10, 11. That's not the same. Is that the same? No, it's not. 30, no, it's not the same. Okay, 35, 40. No, it is the same. Hold on, sorry. 8, 10, 11, 25. That is not right. 8, 35, 45. Okay. So let's go back to our this is probably one of those copy and paste issues I was talking about. So let's go back to here. So pre-order is wrong. So we got in order is right. Okay. Post order, post order. So it's not, is it left, right? So post order, let me go back to here. Post order is left, right, root. Post order is left, right, root. Okay, that seems right. Pre-order is left, root, right. Oh, pre-order is root, left, right. Pre-order is root. So let's copy this. Okay, so that should be our mistake. Control S. Let's go back to presentation mode. And let's run this one more time. Okay, so let's go up here. So we got our in order's fine. Pre-order, okay, starts at the root, like I said, starts at the root. And then 10, 8, so it starts root and then goes down to the left. Let's do this up here. Starts at the root, goes down to the left. And then goes down to the left again, and then it goes to the right. It goes to this root over here, goes down to the left, goes down to the right. And then post order starts down to the left, then it goes to the right, then it goes up to the root. This one goes over here, starts all the way down to the left, goes to the right, goes to the root, and then the root is at the very end. Okay, so that is my demonstration. I'll probably put some more comments of how the recursion really works. But anyway, that's it. I hope you guys have a good day and a good weekend. I will talk to you soon. Bye.